free. Take it down to your knees. I lean back and breathe. I get back up and breathe. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Now there you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. To the peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly with the baseball bat. To the peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly with a football bat. Now Sissy walk. Sissy walk. Sissy walk. You go, boy. Sissy walk. Sissy walk. Hell no. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Now there you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. To the peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat. To the peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly with a football bat. It's a brand new song. Cross the land. To the peanut butter jelly. How you do that dance? Put your hands to the side while you get up, dog. What's this doing like this thing, dog? Rise to the side, we going down. And lean back all the way to the ground. Walk before we in the house. So very loud. Let me hear you shout. Walk, walk, walk with it. Stomp, stomp, stomp with it. Fly, fly, fly with it. Bring it back one more time. Walk, walk, walk with it. Stomp, stomp, stomp with it. Fly, fly, fly with it. Peanut butter jelly, break down. Throw them all up. Swing that back. Turn your head back. I see where it's at. Throw them all up and swing that back. Turn your head back. Let me see where it's at. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. To the peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat. To the peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly with a football cap. Stop. Freestyle. Freestyle your style.
Well, that was a dance for Sammy and Jessica. You guys are awesome. I seen you at the game I seen you at the game 3 days ago. I'm so tired. I seen you at the game and it was really cool because we stopped and we talked and I was like, hey, what's up, Sammy? What's up, Jessica? You guys was like, what's up, Caleb? I'm like, yeah, tight. Anyways, so, oh, ew, what is that? Anywho, how are you guys doing? Good? I'm thinking good. Well, first of all, Sammy, you're really, really extremely nice and really pretty, and we've been talking as friends since 7th grade, and I find that cool, and I think we're going to be friends in 9th grade too. That's the deal. Okay. And your hair is really cool. I always used to mess with your hair in 6th hour, and it was so fun just sitting behind you. And then you always used to do this weird stuff with Brian. You was like, Brian. I'm like, what are you doing? It's so weird. Ugh, frustration. Anyways, Jessica, your hair is really long. If you cut that, this is going up your butt, I swear. And you're really cool, and I wanted to make this video extremely funny for you guys, and I hope you guys like it. But in the meantime, Jessica, we need to talk more often. We used to talk in 5th hour in health class. You remember those nasty questions? And that baby, ew, that baby was gross. That little rubber baby. And it was really fun. We sat like 1 seat away from each other, but I don't know. Hell. You're really smart and outgoing, and you're really funny, and you can make friends with anybody, and I think that's a good thing, especially since we're going to high school. Well, anyways, I hope you guys like this video, okay? Bye. Wait, there is no bye because I cannot find the thing. Okay, bye.